Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: power, battery, and pairing mode. Turn the keyboard on and check batteries. Low power causes intermittent pairing failures, so replace if under 20%. Next, open Bluetooth settings on your computer or tablet and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Once done, press and hold the keyboard's pair button for 3 to 5 seconds until its LED flashes. This signals discoverable mode. You're now ready for the device to detect and list the keyboard. You should see the keyboard appear in the device list. Select the exact model name because nearby devices can have similar labels. When the system prompts, either click pair or type the numeric PIN shown using the Bluetooth keyboard, then press enter. This authenticates the connection and prevents spoofing. Make sure to allow a few seconds for the handshake to complete. The operating system may display a connected message. If pairing stalls, cancel and retry the selection process to force a fresh negotiation. Once paired, test typing in a text field and verify special keys work. If not, install drivers or firmware updates. Some keyboards need vendor software to map keys. If pairing keeps failing, remove the keyboard from saved devices on both the host and keyboard, reboot both, then attempt pairing again. This clears stale profiles that block reconnection. As a final troubleshooting tip, try pairing with another phone or computer, or use the manufacturer's USB dongle to determine whether the issue is the keyboard or the host Bluetooth stack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.